how I make pork blade steak. Coming right up. Alright, so if you've been following my channel, you know that I've been doing some renovation in my house. The kitchen, the mantle, breaking down walls and all that great stuff. So I normally show you stuff in the Instapot, but I wanted to remain true to showing you how I cook in the household of mine. Anyway, so it won't be in the Instapot, but it will be on the grill. So this blade steak, what I did was, I did wash it in vinegar and warm water. I did create a, what do you call it? A marinade. It was pretty tasty too, or was. Anyway, so I soaked it in the marinade for a couple of hours. Took it out, then I seasoned it. You can season it with whatever you want, but I like to soak my meat either in buttermilk or in vinegar. This time I chose the vinegar with some warm water, a warm water solution. And I took it out and I seasoned it up. So now we're gonna place it on the grill here. So as you can see, these are pretty thin. So I don't wanna leave them on the grill that long. I'm thinking 1, maybe 2 minutes per side should be more than enough. Throw that on there like that. You just hear the sizzle. Go ahead and close that down. Safety first, as well as health. Make sure you don't reuse the stuff that you use to put it on there unless you go wash it. So I'm choosing to go wash mine in soap and water, warm soap and water. So when they're done, I can put them out and put them back on my tray. All right, so it's been on for about a minute, minute and a half. Let's take a look and see how it looks in the grill. So if you pull it up like that, oh yes, look at those markings. You go ahead and flip it. Oh, that looks so tasty. We're gonna let that sit for about another minute, minute and a half. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Oh, that looks nice. That's done. That's done. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off the grill. I don't know if you can hear that plane going by, but it's okay. All right, so here's our final product. We have our steak and our cauliflower rice. So you want to at least allow your steak to get up to 145 degrees Fahrenheit and then take it off the grill. You also want to remember to let it rest for at least 3 minutes. You can do more, but at least 3 minutes. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, make sure that you hit that button with the bell button, the button bell, whatever it's called, the bell. Make sure you tap that thing so you can get notified every time I upload something on my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Oh, you know how to find me. Until next time, we are going to enjoy this right here. Take care.